Okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you how crazy it is outside. We've been under a tornado warning for like a few hours and it's been crazy. The wind got to like 60 miles per hour and now it's starting to pour. And look how much rain we've gotten. Like the whole bed is full like that. See that right there? Now it's hailing. So that, did you know hail means the tornadoes coming during a thunderstorm? And look, if there's a thunderstorm and hail is here, it means there's gonna be a tornado. Anyways, it's like yelling right now. Pretty windy too. Oh, it's so muddy. Look at that. It's not supposed to be like that. Anyways, we're under a tornado warning today until 9 o'clock. Bye, this is Fred.